Hey Marines, Sergeant Alex Smith here. U.S. Marines with Combat Assault Company, 3rd Marine Regiment, conducted an amphibious assault with Marines from 3rd Battalion, 3rd Marine Regiment during Bougainville III on the beach at Marine Corps Training Area, Bellows, April 9, 2019. Bougainville III is a pre-deployment training exercise that enhances the unit's proficiency, cohesion, and combat readiness.
So we started off with an amphibious assault, basically a shore-to-shore assault. So went out 500 meters, got in formation, came back, landed on the shore, and then came into the training area, pushed up, seized the EAB, started providing security, and made link up with the local security forces as well as the local mayor.
This exercise has helped the Marines by allowing them to take skills learned in Bougainville 1 and 2 and apply them against a thinking enemy. This is the last exercise before their deployment.
What did we just do? Get a little bit of that weapon round line. Did you win?
No, I didn't.
You win?